Me, I have trust issues too. I don't trust women at all. But after saying this story, I now know the solution to that my trust issues problem. An English man has come out to tell us how he dealt with his own trust issue. He said that he actually allowed his wife to be sleeping with other men while he was not around. So when he goes to work, he already arranged men that will be vandalizing his wife. And I even heard that the woman was always enjoying the black man. all those Uganda pussy. But this man, so people are very, very stupid. Sorry to say. I know it's your problem anyway, it's not my problem. So you mean that you allow your wife to be sleeping with other men, and the funny enough, he even said that it gives him more happiness, it gives him more comfort to know that his wife is, at least he knows who his wife is sleeping with. That it makes him even trust his wife more. Let me tell you something. I have a song for you. Just a play, just a play. You think so that me you they do. Just a play, they play. Just a play. You are playing with your destiny. And from a reliable source, they have told me that different men have been coming to sleep with this woman. From Djibouti, from Sudan, from China, even Mongolia. I am very, the way I'm looking at it, by the time the woman will get better as she delivers, the eye will be like Chinese, you will have Sudanese here. This man, you are joking with your life, you don't know. I pity you. But anyways, your problem with your wife is your problem anyways. My daughter has told me to be sleeping very well, that I lack sleep a lot. I need to be sleeping 18 hours. And I've slept only 12 hours. It's remaining 6. If you like, let the whole world sleep with your wife, just for you to be to not to have a trust issues anymore. I must complete my sleep. Rubbish.